You think we're heading towards the bottom?
Say it again.
You think we're heading towards the bottom?
There's a high chance that you're gonna pull back to 42.30 on ES.
You think we're heading towards the bottom?
Say it again.
You think we're heading towards the
I
bottom?
mean, we did hit the biggest level of last year just moments ago, so. I'm still long on NQ, guys. I don't know if you guys took it or not, but let's see. Burnside, did you get tapped or?
I got tapped and I got back in.
Yeah, I'm still in original. I mean, that tapped perfectly. It was a good confluence. That's why I mentioned it. No, Drew, just if you want to send me which keyboard you want, I'll send you one.
Can we have fun, me?
My mouse.
Oh my god. And who the fuck are you typing a letter to?
Sorry. I'll try to make sure I mute
Stop
myself.
NQ buy.
You sound very angry, whoever you're writing to.
I am.
I'm trailing at 31.25 now. It just looks like that we might run even more now. I only had one, so not really heavy. There's a seller here at 36.75. He sold 30. So just FYI, right here. They get him out. We have a lower high here on ES. There's a high chance they would pull back from here. Unless they reclaim 47.5, which is our value area low, then
Sweep NQ. Stop NQ buy. Stop ES buy.
Oh, we're gonna
So
get
that-
dumpy here.
30 points there, guys, on NQ if you took it. I think they're gonna push it now to 660 potentially
Really?
here on
I think we're
NQ.
gonna reject. Well, we did reject at 45. Get a little push down.
Yeah, that's a big zone there.
Yeah.
It's a big delta there. And I mean, the bigger liquidity sits at 664.
Yeah.
I would think they want that before they dump.
Yeah, 65 was good. I mean,
Stop
45.
NQ sell.
Oh, it's a good entry, but I don't see aggressive sellers yet. There goes PDL on ES. I think we could pull down now to 30 on ES though. ES is leading now. Down, seems like.
Absorption buyers ES.
Why is my TPO not working here?
Absorption buyers ES. Boom, hit the damn like button.
Buyers coming in here. Oh, if we get inside the previous day value area low, we could get the 80% roll.
That's what I was saying.
Gosh, if I could speak, that would
Fine, just type it.
Come on.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching here. ES is very close to it. You guys have 659 as a value area low? On NQ.
I have 647.
49. Got
47,
the new week opening gap above it to 62.
647 and a quarter. Yeah.
It's
Sweep
like right
and
here,
Q.
man. We're right there.
Absorptions,
Just knocked
buyers
on the
and
doors.
Q.
Man, I want to short this. See what they do here. This is a huge level for the bulls, man. They could push this all the way to 699, guys. If they reclaim this value area low, I think we go to 705.
Iceberg and Q sell.
I took a small short here. Let's see what they do. I'm risking only $175.
Oh my gosh, I just called out 45 short again and I was muted because my keyboard's too loud for everybody. So I was talking to
Sure.
myself.
I got it.
Perfect. Good.
I didn't hear you, but I got it. I mean, because ES just went below the POC here, struggling.
I just had a
ES
full on.
loses 37.5. We're gonna tap most likely. What is this? 30. So 7 points on ES coming into play.
Just had a full on conversation with myself. Muted. Fun times. Potential bounce here on NQ.
Yeah. I wanted a 611. I'm still short. Come on. Send it.
Absorption, buyers, ES.
There's a buyer coming in at 38 though. He's pretty fucking
Bounce.
annoying. Somebody's getting absorbed here. Come on, baby. Send it to 12, please.
Yeah, it's just going to be a little bounce. I'll probably reject here again pretty quick.
Yeah, I think we're headed to 12. Yeah, for me, we tapped value area low on NQ. I don't know if you guys have the same level or not, but I
Yeah,
guess it was around 47.25 or so.
I got that. It went as high as 51, so on
Yeah.
a wick.
Yeah. ES is gonna reclaim PDL here, guys. He's gonna try.
Yes,
There's
this
that
has some
bounce from
aggression.
30. It's pretty wild.
Absorption, sellers, ES.
Previous day value area low again.
If they reclaim it, don't fight them.
Oh, absolutely not. Now we just need some confirmation.
I took a small short.
Apparently I did too. Where the fuck are these?
I had an order.
Yeah, apparently I had an order sitting there. I don't recall doing it, but
Stop and
Thanks
Q
for the
sell.
order.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got filled up 150. Almost 10 points here. Okay, well, 10 points
I'll
here.
take it.
I'm still in. I want 12.
12 points.
No, 612. Well, there goes almost 15 points. I mean, if they reclaim the level, I'll get out, but don't.
Our volume's been
just-
decreasing since 10:45. I mean 9:45.
And they trapped people about PDL here, seems like on ES. Look at this level here on ES, guys. Look at this freaking delta here. At 245, and look at that seller that's there. He's not just moving, man. He's just not getting out here. But there's a decent absorption here, guys. Look, minimum delta was -15. We closed at 5. So if they hop over 45 on ES here, it looks like PD value area low, at least for me. We can run through here. And here goes NQ now.
Still on decreasing volume.
Yeah,
At least on 5 minute.
yeah, but they can run it now because they trapped everyone.
Oh, I
There
totally
goes.
agree. We just need to see volume pick up and we'll be solid.
They're gonna bounce here again. I would not
Sweep
be shocked if
NQ.
they run it to 700 here. 704. 705-ish, 704.
Previous day POC.
Absorption buyers ES. Sweep
They're
NQ.
gonna
Stop NQ buy. Sweep ES.
We're about to pop.
Yeah, I'm in.
A lot of buyers just came in. Aggressive.
Yeah, it's about to explode here.
It is. Delta's climbing pretty steadily. And we're getting that volume.
Need to damn
Buyers,
hold this.
buyers. We're gonna get a big candle.
Yep. I think we go at 700 with
I'm with you.
split seconds if. Well, how am I long 6 contracts? What the fuck is this?
You mean only 6 contracts, right?
Oh, I didn't mean to go fucking long 6. Come on.
Only 6.
I just took a hit, $700. I don't like the ES is struggling on previous day low
Absorption
here.
buyers NQ.
The pop.
They
is
need
coming.
that pop now, man. They need that pop like right now before mine changes on sellers.
NQ's going
Where's it going?
to 704.
Good.
I've got it sitting at the SIG 2 5-month,
Sweep NQ.
which is
Stop
at
NQ buy.
660-ish.
Nobody say good morning to him. He gets depressed.
No, I'm done for
Stop
the day. I'm
ES
good.
buy. Absorption sellers NQ. Absorption
So
sellers
we
ES.
just- Previous day value real low.
That was a good one, Shorty.
Should pop. Soon.
That
Oh, hi Sith. Good morning.
was a good one. Good morning, Seth.
What's good about it?
Money.
You guys see how his emotion changes when he makes money versus doesn't? He's the
Yeah. You notice that, right? He starts posting all kinds of crazy shit and all that.
Dollar bills, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
This is the value area low retest here. Previous day value area low. Right now, they just tapped it. I took a small long here.
Oh, I like me at my the gif of me at my laptop. That's dope. And my angry.
Did anyone take the retest here?
It's an American Eskimo. I used to have one of those.
Oof.
Oh, don't do all that.
Man,
Wow.
I got stopped.
Pretty important that we bounce here. We're not.
Yeah, if not, that's a rejection, man. That's
Yep.
a big
Sweep
time
ES.
rejection.
Sweep NQ. Stop NQ sell.
That means they're not really accepting value here. So 631 is again key level here. They're gonna go to 631 now.
They tried.
Stop NQ sell.
631.
Stop ES sell.
Yeah, I'm going long at 630 here.
Yeah, nice level.
I got it in 1 now, but I'll add just in case they decide to go without me. This is the first negative delta on some volume here so far. Oh, ES is in trouble here. ES is in trouble.
Might bounce here. Might.
I'm long, but
They're trying.
I'm at risk of 10 points. So with this level here on ES, man, it is golden for potentially short right now.
NQ's trying to do that thing.
Yeah, I'm looking to see if I can drive this bad boy all the way up, but it just looks fairly weak on ES though.
Just market order like 100 contracts.
No, hell no. ES is at a dangerous spot here, man. No volume here. Somebody sold off.
Well, this level right here is a little sketchy on NQ. We gotta get over this.
Same with ES. Look at ES delta here, negative 7,000 at this level, man.
Choo.
I mean, to get through this.
650 is key here on NQ.
I took a short on ES here.
We got through 650 barely. Ah, there it goes.
I'm long NQ, short ES here. Let's see what.
There it
They
goes.
just-
Stop
Well,
ES
one's
buy.
going big,
Sweep
right?
NQ.
Yeah,
Absorption
22 points
sellers
on
ES.
NQ.
Stop NQ buy. Absorption buyers
Maybe area
NQ.
low on ES.
Sweep
Be
ES.
careful.
Stop ES buy. Absorption buyers ES.
We're gonna struggle at 670.
Iceberg
Yeah.
NQ buy.
We just hit
Absorption
660
sellers
from
NQ.
earlier.
Iceberg
Trailing
NQ buy.
on NQ.
Sweep NQ. Stop NQ sell. Iceberg
Some more
NQ
aggressive
buy.
buyers
Stop
coming
ES
over
buy.
670 for more upside. We do have a completed auction at the top here on 5 minutes.
ES is at PD value area low as well. So
According to me, my Nasdaq's rebroke over Sig 2
Absorption buyers
and Sig
ES.
3.
So
There goes.
673 is pretty important here on NQ.
I think we're gonna hit 680 here in split seconds. Honestly, they left a failed auction at the top.
I'm just they have to get through 73 to go anywhere.
Yeah.
That's key. Rejected from there again.
Absorption sellers ES. Boom, hit the damn like button.
Have buyers coming in.
Sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES.
Seems like the sellers pushed the offer up here, guys.
Gotta break 73 for upside.
I got trailed here. There's some absorption here happening, guys. But let's see, the bulls are fighting now. They could use 54 for a bounce. The B period is about to end here. 10 minutes. We're gonna know our IB. Took a short on NQ there. There's some buyers now. They caught up here, but
Yep, we have some buyers coming in here on NQ.
Well, that's the biggest opening range we've had, or IB, in a while for ES.
I mean, even in NQ, you're talking about 160 points. That's not bad.
It's been very fun to trade.
We cannot lose 47 on NQ. If they do, they're in trouble. I'm still short on NQ, guys. Watch 47. I'm gonna drag my.
If we lose 47, I would look for a bounce around 31-ish.
Yeah, I have 31, 35 zone. 31 is good level.
Yeah, if we lose that, then 20 or 14 will be your long entry.
That sounds correct. I have 10. Oh my god. Yeah, they can't, for today, they can't drop below 610. If they drop below 610, man, shit breaks down.
Yeah, I was going to say 14, but sure. I'm with you.
There's some sellers here, some absorption happening, but the buyers are fighting here. Well,
Yep.
Stop NQ buy.
Actually, breaking 61 there is pretty good for possible upside.
Stop NQ buy.
Possible.
Stop NQ sell.
Not very likely, though.
we are in the average of 20 days of IB here, so if they're gonna extend this, we're gonna have a trend day of some sort. say very high chances we have a little pullback here. The only thing is we're holding that PD value area low, so keeping me bullish till we lose it.
So there's a little
Sweep
pop from
ES.
61.
Absorption buyers ES.
And they
There
just
goes.
broke
Stop ES
73.
buy.
We're gonna go higher
Stop
here.
ES buy.
We're going
Stop
705.
ES buy. Stop ES buy. Absorption buyers ES.
Most likely. But this is the M period on, let me make sure I'm reading this. Yeah, this is the M period on ES, on NQ here. This is where we had the spike. on
Stop
Friday,
NQ buy.
so
Projected
you're gonna
large-
short. This is your shorting level here.
Yeah, this large level, delta level at 680 on NQ.
Sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES.
From TPO, from Delta. Let's see if they crack it.
Yeah, we
We
just
got
broke it.
704.
We're gonna go to 704 here.
Yep.
Looks like.
I'm gonna
Stop
go
ES buy.
see what they do here.
So hopefully somebody went long over 61. That was a great entry.
I took a small short here on NQ.
Super good.
This-
if we
this is
break
a-
below
Absorption buyers ES.
Yeah, this is a
There
big
it
level
goes.
here for them.
They've got to hold 680 for upside. Or we're going back to 661.
Absorption buyers ES.
Yeah, it's a huge level from TPO, volume
There
profile.
it goes. Deuces.
We have,
Stop
5
NQ
minutes till
buy.
IB set.
Absorption buyers ES.
$85 high breaks, we're gonna hit 704. That's 20 points there. That's what I would eye.
Bigs are at Friday rejection point. Cruising
There it goes.
those.
Absorption buyers
If they break
ES.
that 85 and a quarter, they're just gonna pop. Like, you won't even see it.
Stop ES buy. Stop ES buy. Stop ES buy. Sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES.
They gonna pop this to 704 right now? Looks like.
I think they might, but I don't know. I'm short. Still short. Still short.
This 80 level is so key.
Come to Papa.
There it goes.
Come on. Alright guys, we have 4 minutes till, here we go baby. Anyone short or?
It's a great shot.
Absorption sellers ES.
85 and a quarter is huge, so that's my stop loss.
ES is absorbing sellers.
Whee! Come on. PD
Wow,
value, a little
weird.
retest on ES. Oh baby, give me 12, 612 and I'm done. I'm gonna log off.
Oh my gosh.
I need 80 points.
You gotta break 61 and 30. What is it? 31 or whatever.
Oh, they're coming here for. They're
Yeah,
coming in for
631.
2 minutes till IB set. Let's see what they do. A retest to 644, 647 would be ideal. If you guys can do that, I appreciate it. Keep going. Oh, get out of here. You're gonna.
They've gotta hit at least 61.
Oh, this might turn ugly here real quick. 672 is a big seller. 72, 75.
They've gotta hit 61. And then
Oh, give me 647, 644. If you keep saying it, they comes faster. If you guys know that trick.
Yeah, gotta hit 61. And then 31. And then give
640.
Shorty his 12 or whatever he's asking for.
I just need 47, 44. Here we go. They're about to deliver. Bastards, come on. over 85.25, they're just gonna explode. That would be the range extension, just so you guys know. And it really would pop there, but I'm still short.
Go,
Yeah,
go.
short.
We want 61.
No, you want 647.
We need 61 first.
Don't got me short 14 points, man.
No, we need 61 first, and then once that breaks, we'll get 31. So you'll get your 47 between that.
Yes, under Val.
Yeah, it just popped below. We're gonna hit PDL here.
Yeah, you
Is
got
anyone short on NQ, or are we just talking for bullshit?
Let's go.
Here we go, baby. Come on. Still, come on. Failed auction here.
Still need 61.
you get your trend line bros right here.
Yeah. Okay, here it goes, baby.
Did we just bounce at 61?
No. 62.
25.
Yes, PDL.
I don't believe it. PDL and ES, correct? Yeah.
Yep.
Big level though. If they lose this, guys, ES is in trouble. I'm telling you.
This is a huge SR on ES.
You pop above and you fail.
AB set.
Yep. AB, IB, set. Big time levels. So let's see if you get the extensions or not. I mean, A did a lot of work, dude. Oh, this is.
There we go. We want a little bit more. Was that 61?
Oh no, I'm still in.
Yeah, 61 on the button.
I want
Oh,
more.
I called it.
Did you take it?
I've been done trading. Otherwise, yes, I would have took it. Absolutely, 100%. But I made
That's good.
20% today.
That's it?
I'm sorry, just 20%. That's all. Only short 20%.
Good.
And I'll happily make only 20% a day for the rest of my life. Like, no
fuck,
problems.
Come
no
on.
problem.
Needs to go 647. I know it's annoying, but it just needs to go there. ES is gonna go to 639, 975.
Just gotta break 61. You're good.
Stop NQ buy.
It's gonna slice through it. I don't see them extending to the upside. Maybe they will, but that would be really odd. Because I didn't see
probably
it.
gonna pop to 75 here before we dump. There it is.
Oh, hold on, guys. I'll be back in a second. If you want to share it, you gotta go get some coffee, man.
Yeah, I'm already sharing.
Thanks.
See you later.
So we just tapped 75. That would have been a good entry if you weren't short already. And now they just need to finally make this move happen. But this is a bull flag, right? We need Jake in here. There's that 61 level again, bouncing off of it a little bit. Right now we're in a bracket between 77 and 61. Completed auctions on both sides. Oh, we just broke 61. We're going lower. Done. Done skis. It's like taking candy from a baby.
Stop NQ sell.
If you're short 47, actually like 48 is probably a good target to exit your short position. If we crack that, then we're going to 31.
Stop ES sell. Absorption sellers ES.
We cracked it. Now we're going
Sweep ES. Absorption sellers ES. Stop ES sell. Stop NQ buy. Absorption buyers NQ.
They're absorbing here on NQ. Actually, 37 was a tough level that's pretty much right where we bounced. Beautiful trade there if anybody took it.
Sweep ES.
Textbook. It bounced from 36.75. Nice. Yeah, so now if we break this 37 level, we should probably see a bounce around 31. Might be short-lived though. Right here. The shelf. If we break 31, we'll probably see a bounce somewhere between 20 and 14. Possibly 10.
Sweep ES.
Dog, I am not feeding you.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ buy.
Did anybody else get like an update or an upgrade on their Discord and it looks so different now? Is it just me?
Mine doesn't look any different, but I did get an update. We still haven't hit 31 yet, right?
No, not yet.
We need to. 34.25. Pull back to previous day value area low. Not a terrible short right here on NQ.
Absorption buyers ES.
Gotta reject here.
It holds. It's a perfect entry for 80%.
Alright, sorry if anybody went short there. It ended up not being good. Yeah, it is a good entry for our 80% rule. I was on the wrong side very much. Delta was negative. I thought they needed to tap 31 out again as well. They might absolutely rip here. If we get a pullback to 61, that should be a good long entry on NQ. But they might just send it right now.
Well, they tapped the TPO POC
Yeah.
that was forming.
We might get an astronomical candle here. Especially if we break 680. I would really love to see a pullback to 661 here.
Stop
I'm
and
not
Q buy.
big into momentum trading, but if we break like 680, 681, it wouldn't be a bad spot to enter long, but it might happen really fast. You probably have to have a stop order there if you want to catch it. Go to 61. $63.50. They're teasing me. What do we hit there? Like 63? 62.75. Oh, little dog.
Sweep ES. Stop ES buy.
If we crack 81 here, 80, 81, 82, we're going to go. They just got to hold this. There it goes.
Stop
Hopefully
and Q
some
sell.
people weren't greedy and got in at like 64 or 63 and weren't actually waiting for 61. Got a nice 25-point move so far. There it goes. Should hit 704 here.
Sweep and Q. Stop and Q buy.
So if you entered with the momentum at 81-ish, you're solid here. Good. When we get there, 700, 704 should be a good short entry. We should get a rejection from there, and then eventually we'll pop over it and go higher. So basically, just to tell everybody my mindset right now, I'm looking for a rejection at 700 or 704 to enter short, and a bounce at 81 here would be solid. Possibly a bounce at 61. If we get down that low, I will definitely be entering long. Reclaim 81 here should be good for a long if it happens. If not, I'd be looking to enter at 61-ish. Actually, I'll say 63 just because we might not actually see that 61 level, but I'm kind of expecting them to tap it, but we'll see. I got buyers coming in right here, so we might see a pop over 81 here.
ES is reclaiming value low also, or trying.
Nice. This reclaim of 81 could be what sends us to the 700 level, potentially.
Stop NQ sell.
Yeah, you may get your 61 entry.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Well, I would just enter at 64 or 63, but I really want to see them tap 61.
Yeah, 64 is the prior day close.
Oh, okay.
I can see that.
Makes
Stop
sense.
NQ buy.
Pretty red delta, but not much volume on this candle so far.
All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm done for the day. Thank you, Rockets.
Right on, brother. Have a good day.
Yeah, it was a great day, man. I love days like this.
Awesome.
Nice. Good for you.
Hey, have a good one,
Take
guys.
care, Angel. Take it
Yes, ma'am.
easy.
Yes, ma'am. Much love to all of y'all.
All right, brother. These dirty little bastards. They're like, oh, you want 64 this time? We'll bounce it at 66.25. Anybody joining? I'm looking for a bounce on NQ between 661 and 664 to enter long. And if I get that, my target to exit would be right around 700. And obviously just trailing to secure profits on the way up. This might be the move. Oh, here we go. Come on.
Stop NQ sell.
Give us 64. Probably going to reject right here on NQ. Possible.
Yeah, they keep giving higher lows and lower highs.
This could be the candle that sends it to 700, which would be annoying because we never got our 64.
Oh, there we go.
Still haven't got the 64 entry.
Sweep NQ.
However, we did cross back below where I said potential short entry, which was 685.
Absorption buyers ES.
And run it down there really quick.
Got a fight here at that 880 level again. They're trying to bore me and put me to sleep. It's almost working. if anybody would like to see my trades for the day, there they are.
There we go.
Come on,
Come on.
64. Come on, 64. This is going to be the time they hit 61 because I'm telling everybody to get in at 64. Let's do it.
Stop NQ sell.
What god do I have to make a sacrifice to get 61? Man, you guys are quiet today.
Absorption spires NQ.
They are absorbing buyers on NQ. Oh, I don't like them.
Absorption spires NQ. Sweep NQ.
Is this it? 704?
Sweep NQ. Stop NQ buy.
Probably about to get a big pop right here. Again, looking to short 700, 704-ish. They might... No, 700 is a good short. Minimum 10-point stop loss on NQ.
Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers NQ.
Pop should come any minute now. Might be when this 5-minute candle closes in 10 seconds here. There's 700.
Sweep NQ. Absorption buyers NQ. Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ buy.
Boom. Go. Slap it down.
Absorption buyers ES. Iceberg NQ sell. Absorption buyers NQ. Sweep NQ.
Iceberg seller on NQ here. There's 10 points.
Sweep NQ. Stop NQ sell.
I would slowly start trailing here and look for potential exit at 681 if you don't get trailed right here. They bounced it actually right off of this shelf right here. Not a bad short entry again here.
Sweep NQ. Stop NQ buy. Absorption sellers NQ. Sweep NQ. Iceberg NQ sell.
So
Absorption buyers NQ.
690 is not a bad exit right at this shelf here.
Sweep NQ.
If we get 81, that would be golden, but 90 is going to be safer.
Sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES. Iceberg ES buy. Absorption sellers ES.
Small chance they go to 712. They have absorbed all the liquidity at 704 here.
Absorption buyers ES. Boom, hit the damn like button. Stop NQ buy.
Send it down.
Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES sell. Absorption buyers ES.
This is kind of a do or die level right here on NQ. We need to break below 700 for downside or stay above it for upside. There we go. Give us more. So if you're short from 704, I would definitely be looking to take profits at 90. because we're probably going to get a big bounce. Also trail here just in case. And there's 90. And bounce incoming, I think. And bing bong.
Iceberg and Q buy. Absorption buyers ES.
Here,
Sweep
Pancho.
and Q.
This is the delta that I watch. My delta's right here. So negative 120 right now. Up here was negative 124, positive 600. I'm not watching the one that's at the bottom of this book map here. So when you actually said that, I was like, I'm not sharing book map. I forgot that they have this here. I don't see where you see negative 3,000 every candle.
Iceberg and Q sell.
This is your volume. The 2,500. The delta is here. So currently negative 26, negative 42, negative
Sweep ES.
282,
Absorption sellers ES.
positive 174. I mean, this looks accurate to me. But I watch the delta on my footprint chart here. And also order flow. I would suspect that we're going to crack this 704 level here. Are you on your 10-second candles, Mr. Bean? Oh, he's not even with me.
Absorption buyers ES.
I would expect.
He said he uses them. I don't know if he's on them.
I'm expecting 712 here. Well, I was just curious where we actually bounced this last time. Because I said 90, and it was 89 and 56.
Absorption buyers ES. Stop and Q buy. Stop ES buy. Stop and Q buy.
We should hit 12 here. There's 12, and I would expect a
Stop and Q buy.
If we don't reject
absorption
it,
buyers
to,
ES.
19. Oh yeah.
Absorption buyers ES. Boom, hit the damn like button. Stop ES buy. Sweep ES. Stop ES buy. Iceberg and Q sell.
Wow, that was a nice short there. I missed it. They came just shy of 20, which is what I was looking for. 15.25. So it's $5 off on that one. 693 here, it doesn't totally meet my criteria for taking a long, but it's probably going to be a decent long from that level right there. If we retested it, wouldn't be like a horrible spot to get in long. But again, it doesn't meet all of my criteria. I just think there's a potential bounce coming from there. If it didn't already happen on this last candle that we just had. Looks like it might have.
Absorption sellers yes. Boom, hit the damn like button.
So right now, again, we've just got to get through that 704 level for more upside, but we do have a completed auction at that level.
Sweep yes.
Can you other screen, the quant tower one?
I mean, I can, but then I can't see my other charts.
Okay, I get it. Thank you.
You know, like, actually, let me see. Let's see if we can have like a massive win-win here. Maybe if I just make this smaller. Yeah, we can do this. It's not like ideal, but you guys can then see what I kind of look at when I'm looking at levels. Maybe potentially, I don't know. Let's see. We do. So like this is super crammed for me, but I don't like that I can't see.
Yeah, say don't go crazy. Thank you though.
No. I think I can make this work. Because this screen is where I have my mouse and where I'm like looking at levels. And so you guys seeing that might help you kind of like see what I'm looking at, like the overall picture. Again, here I'll be looking for a rejection at 712, potentially 715 again. Could possibly be a good short. I would wait to see how we react when we get there though. But this doesn't.
Can it go to the right a little more?
To the right?
Yeah, so I can see the
Numbers.
Green and red. Yeah, that. I need to see that. Thank you.
Good short here.
Iceberg and Q sell.
Very good short here.
Iceberg and Q sell.
We have iceberg sells happening right here at 712.
Stop ES buy. Stop NQ buy.
You know you want to.
Stop NQ buy.
They gotta break below 712 here for downside. Has to. So if you guys see,
Iceberg ES sell.
Stuck here between 18 and
Sweep
12.
ES.
We've been bouncing back and forth. If they break 12, we're going to get a nice little move down. However, they break 20 here, we're going to pop.
Stop ES buy. Sweep ES. Iceberg NQ sell. Stop NQ buy.
Still iceberg sells happening on NQ here. Super key level here. They've got to hold below.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep NQ. Absorption buyers NQ.
We're gonna pop here. There it goes.
Stop NQ buy.
Little fake out for me. But, yeah. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm looking at. This is on my right profile here. Is going to be my current month deltas. So with this large delta node here, positive delta, as soon as we break that level for me, I know we're going to
sweep ES.
Like pretty obvious. And then as that was happening, like you saw our delta going more and more positive. And we're probably still going to get more upside here. I don't think they finished their move. They're probably wanting to target like 30.
Iceberg ES sell.
33-ish, 35, right around there.
Iceberg NQ sell. Stop NQ buy.
There
Sweep
are still
ES.
iceberg sells happening on NQ, but that can happen for a while.
Iceberg ES sell. Absorption buyers ES.
Pretty sure we should pop here.
Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES sell. Absorption buyers ES.
I would like to see at least 733.
Iceberg
to
ES sell.
consider taking a
Sweep
short.
NQ.
And 720 would be a good level to enter long.
Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES sell. Absorption buyers ES.
We have iceberg sellers just
Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES sell. Stop ES buy. Boom, hit the damn like button. Absorption buyers ES. Iceberg ES sell.
might be a tiny rejection. But we are getting it so far from that 33, 35 level. This is not going to be a bad long entry rate. Oh, never mind. Yeah, but 27. Over 27 or a tap of 27 might be a good place to hop in long. We're probably going to be targeting 788-ish. So there's 27. Still not bad. We have buyers coming in right here. So right now buyers and sellers are battling, and literally we just need to break 27 or 28 and we should get a decent pop. Obviously there's also a potential they send it lower, and to go lower they need to break 20. Possibly actually 18, 19. They need to get below this large delta node here. Delta's almost green. Yeah, we should get a little pop here at least. Possibly targeting 37, which would give you 10 points from your 27 entry if you took it. Might even hit 40.
Iceberg NQ sell. Iceberg ES sell.
What do we hit? 35.50. Not a terrible spot to close. we should get a little pop from here. Breaking 31, 32 is pretty key for upside, or more upside, I should say.
Sweep NQ.
I would expect
Stop
him to tap
NQ buy.
40, but
Iceberg ES sell.
could be wrong. There's 40.
Iceberg ES sell.
Not a terrible short entry below like 38. But it's also not great.
Stop NQ buy.
So far that I saw, we didn't go below 38. But that's what I would need to see for confirmation to go short here. Just went below 38. Yep, there we go. Bring it down. Really, your best bet here is probably going long 31 to 33. It looks like we're going to be just trending up, probably eventually to like 812, I would guess. Yep, there it goes.
Absorption buyers ES. Stop ES buy. Stop ES buy. Sweep ES. Boom, hit the damn like button. Sweep NQ. Stop NQ buy.
750, well, I guess I'm late on this. That popped pretty fast. 750 when it happened would be like a fairly decent place to close your longs and take a small short. I don't think we're
Boom,
gonna
hit the damn like button. Absorption buyers ES.
breaking 750 is going to be key for upside.
Absorption sellers
a lot of
ES.
liquidity sitting there. 170 orders, 160 orders, 180 orders. Again, not a terrible long here. Right now, we need to break this 39 level to get another pop to the upside. Came back to our long entry here. This could be sketch. This could be stopping volume. It's getting close to being what I would consider stopping volume. If this candle breaks above, or the volume breaks above these previous candles, this will be definitely stopping volume, unless price is higher when that happens. But And right now price is going
Sweep
higher,
ES.
so we shall see. This is still key breaking 39.
Absorption buyers ES. Boom, hit the damn like button.
I think we're gonna get a pop right now.
Stop ES buy.
This might be it. 50.
Iceberg and Q sell.
Iceberg seller here on NQ. I'm still really kind of expecting a pop to 50, 750 before we get more downside. But we have had a lot of iceberg sells on the way up here. So. We are now back to our original long entry, and we're probably going to pop again. It looks like buyers are coming in aggressive. Buyers coming in aggressive here at 37. Big battle here, 37. Should hit 50 now. Come on, we gotta hit 50. Got to.
Iceberg ES buy. Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers NQ.
Alright, this should be it pretty soon here. We're going to go to 50. We're going to get a big fast candle if I'm not nuts.
Iceberg ES buy.
When we break 72 here, or 73, or sorry, 43 is when this big candle.
Absorption spires and Q.
It's going to be 8 points roughly, but we should get a pretty fast move once we break and hold this. Here we go.
Iceberg ES buy.
Wow. Come on.
Iceberg ES sell. Sweep and Q. Sweep and Q. Absorption sellers and Q. Sweep ES. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES buy.
This might be it here. I don't know. It's like hard to predict, but we're going to pop, and we're going to pop to 50 at least. And it should be fairly quick.
Sweep and Q. Iceberg ES sell. Sweep and Q. Absorption spires and Q.
And we should get a nasty rejection from 50. Wow.
Absorption spires and Q. Iceberg ES sell.
Any day now, give us 50. 50, we get a 20 point at least rejection, possibly 30. We hit 50, right? $49.75.
Looks.
$49.75 is good enough for me.
Iceberg and Q sell.
still think they're gonna grab this liquidity here at 750, but
Stop ES buy.
Eh, 50 short. It seemed better than the long aspect of it.
oh, I mean, we got there, and I am really expecting a tap of 50. There it is. And
Stop NQ buy. Absorptions buyers NQ. Stop NQ buy.
Yeah,
Stop ES buy.
even harder.
Sweep ES.
no, they're not going to go very much further.
No, I said it went even higher than the
Yeah.
50. It was
Oh wow, maybe they are.
Stop ES buy. Absorption buyers ES.
So right here, this is absorption happening. More on the bid side than the ask.
Iceberg NQ buy.
These are going to be what's it called? Limit sellers. Now we just need aggressive sellers to step in, and we should get a dump. We have some here. Actually, we might pop this delta.
Sweep
I
ES.
guess I get to be wrong
Stop
on the
ES
short.
buy.
We're probably going to run.
Iceberg NQ buy.
Yep.
Iceberg NQ buy. Absorption sellers NQ. Iceberg NQ buy. Iceberg NQ buy. Absorption sellers NQ. Iceberg NQ buy. Stop NQ sell. Iceberg NQ buy. Stop NQ sell.
Don't make me look crazy here. These are buyers, these are sellers.
Sweep NQ.
There we go. Little rocket.
Stop NQ buy.
Jeez, come on. You know you want to. You know you want to go to 88.
Didn't you tell us once that Little Rocket was coming, and that was a false claim?
Why?
Sweep
wife.
NQ.
Huh?
Your wife?
Oh gosh, wow. Talk about a stab in the back. Jeez.
Oh my gosh, don't take it so bad.
Yeah, I love you. You know I love you, man.
That was actually hilarious, Bean. We're gonna get a candle from here. I seriously would not be surprised to see a big pop to 788. Just one candle, boom, from here to there. It might take a minute, of like a little back and forth before it happens, but this is pretty huge. It's either, no, I think they're gonna pop it from here. I was gonna say, it might be passive sellers, but I don't think it is. I think they're gonna pop it. Right here would be like a risky entry for me long at 58. Breaking 63. I don't like to trade with momentum too much, but that's probably where we'll rip from. If we come back down to 51, that should be like a pretty solid entry to get in long. 52, 51, somewhere around there. If I had to guess, this should be right around 50% of this last 5-minute candle, roughly. Give or take. Let's see. Yeah, it is, pretty much.
Iceberg ES sell.
As well, when we tap this. Delta is not on our side here, though. I'm 100% expecting like chop from here to here for a little bit, and then we're gonna break this like 63, 64 and go to 788. What's up, Jay's Trades? So they just tapped like our ultimate best long entry there and have a completed option.
Sweep ES.
Could get sketchy.
Stop NQ sell.
Delta's going more and more red, which would be against our longs.
Stop NQ sell.
Interestingly enough, we are at what I had was yesterday's IBL. Or I think of the IBL.
Super important that they hold 750 here for upside. No bueno. This could get ugly here. Uglier.
I missed out. I had to go long at 63 or 36, I should say, with a take profit.
Stop NQ sell.
65 planned. Dang. It wasn't planned.
Breaking 45 is not bad long. I don't think we're going to get back above it anytime soon, though. Delta's going super negative, and we're probably going to get a pretty big down candle
nice ES had a perfect rejection off that VPOC.
This could be the bounce here, possibly. Absorption happening. Not very much, but a little bit.
Sweep ES.
No problem, Jay. Yep, here we go. Right now we have to get above 46 for upside. Couldn't hold it. So lunch is in 14 minutes. I'm going to call it a day there. I just worked 4 12-hour shifts in a row, and I am absolutely exhausted. But I'll be on again tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Joe. Appreciate your help.
I hope everybody crushed today. I know I did. So absorption happening here again. It's not terrible long, but we really have to get over 46 for upside. This is pretty key. This is not, I would not take a long here just because I don't like going long when I have like a sell side imbalance right above. But breaking like 46, 47 will be good if we are able to hold it when we break it. We'll probably see some upside. Right now, Bookmap's showing we have, you know, quite a bit of sellers right there at 47 and 50. So it's kind of confirming what I'm saying. I wasn't even paying attention to this. I was just looking here where this is really key to break this 46, 47 level for upside. And right now that's just a massive level on Bookmap. Yeah,
Stop NQ sell.
do it. Now we have sell side imbalance happening here. No problem, Pancho. I hope you guys on YouTube ate today. I feel like we called out a lot of good trades. Hopefully people caught some. There were a couple of losers today, but not too many. Again, not a horrible long here. Don't like it because of the sell side imbalance, but this is absorption on NQ at 39, 38-ish, 37, right around there.
Stop NQ sell.
I would expect a rejection right around 47-ish.
Oh my God, there's a lot going on in the chat, and I can't watch it and do the charts at the same time. And my Discord is all messed up. I don't know what's wrong.
You can always look at Discord later. That doesn't go away.
That's true.
Like for me, it's super rare for me to look at Discord when I'm trading. Like people DM me and stuff, and I'm like, yeah, I can't really answer you when I'm trading. Sorry. Not a horrible long for 10 points here. And there's your 10 points. Enjoy. That'll probably be my last call out for the day.
I got that one, thank you.
No worries. And as anticipated, so there's our 47 level that I've been talking about, where we have a lot of liquidity sitting. Well, we rejected right off of that. We've got sellers stepping in here. We're probably going to get slapped down a little bit from here. I'll hang out for 9 more minutes until noon, just in case I do see something else worth calling out, but that might be the last trade for the day that I call out.
That's awesome.
I am exhausted. I mean, obviously, based on what I said, this is not a horrible spot to jump in short, specifically breaking below 45. Yeah, it's not terrible. I don't know. These liquidity grabs, sometimes they pop them a lot higher. It's kind of hard to say.
Sweep NQ. Absorptions buyers NQ. Stop NQ buy.
So they just grabbed all that liquidity right here. Boom.
Yeah, I saw that. Sorry I haven't been talking much either because my throat is on fire. My kids got me sick.
Yeah, you sound a little rough. Feel better.
Yeah, thank you.
Still looking good short here. However, we might get that boom boom ripper lunchtime candle.
Stop NQ sell.
Sorry, I just breathed really hard into my mic.
It wasn't that big of a deal.
What's that?
It wasn't a big deal.
Okay.
It didn't make as much noise as you thought.
Oh, okay. Smack it down one time. There it goes. Gotta love it. So there's 10 points if you took that short. And that's probably as good as it's going to get right now. 6 more minutes and I'm going Mimi. For people on YouTube, I will go live again when? Is the market open on the 30th, Monday? Anybody know? I'm sure it is.
Yeah, I don't see why it'd be closed. No holiday.
I don't think it would be, but Halloween's on Tuesday. I just Assuming we're open on Monday, I'll go live on Monday morning, bright and early. Tomorrow, dynamite. Maybe. We'll see. If I do decide to go live tomorrow, I'll give more notice this time. I'll see if I'm feeling giving tomorrow. I really wish Quantower would like just automatically switch candles for me. That would be spectacular. Here comes that lunchtime pump, huh? They're gonna break 47. They already grabbed the liquidity. Looks like they might want to hit 50. Little bit of absorption happening here, not very much. Give us the lunchtime pop and then lose like
Sweep ES.
700 points or something. For me, pretty key. Again, if we break this 47 level, we're probably going to see a pretty, a decent move to the upside. For right now, a lot of sellers sitting there. All good, brother. I was just wondering why my socks were wet, and then I remembered that I was riding my motorcycle in the rain, or hail / rain, whatever it was. It hurt. My pants and my socks are all wet. I was like, did my dog like pee on my leg or
That's
something?
crazy.
Which would be really
That's
random.
crazy.
Like, but I'm like, why are my legs wet? What is going on? Completely forgot about riding in the rain this morning. Seriously, looks like we're gonna get a pop here. They've got to get over this 44, and then they've got to break 47, and we'll get a move up. Here it comes. Are you ready? Big fight. There it goes.
Stop NQ buy.
Probably gonna get a rejection here. So lunchtime, 1 minute. This is gonna be it for me. So people in this Discord, again, I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow. YouTube, maybe I'll go live tomorrow. I don't know. See how I'm feeling. Again, I will give more notice this time.
Sweep NQ.
For people in YouTube, if you're interested, I go live pretty much 5 days a week in Shorty's Discord, and then Shorty, of course, goes live as well in his Discord. Welcome to join. We'd love to have you. We focus mostly on education there. But that's going to be it for me for today, at least. So
Thank you.
Possibility of live tomorrow. I'd say there's a pretty good possibility. I am feeling kind of giving. I'll definitely be live on Monday as long as the market's open, which I don't see why it wouldn't be, but I'm too lazy to check. But I don't think the day before Halloween would be considered a holiday, and I also don't think Halloween will be considered a holiday as well, of of course, Kayla. Oops, wrong emoji. And no problem free. You guys take care. Much love. Have a good day. Don't overtrade. I hope everybody made some money.
Thank you. Love you.
All
Bye.
right. Much love. We'll see you all tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care. Bye, guys. Peace out, YouTube.